All right, that's the always entertaining
Yeah.
David. And it is pretty, I like what Bill said, it is pretty remarkable that I can get on my phone and then somebody's going to
It's so
remove
easy.
my,
Not every city does that. We're really fortunate that we live in an area where, yeah, we do pay taxes and that we do get that service. Not everyone gets that. So we're grateful here in Hamilton County. That's right. All right, here's a look at our top temperatures this afternoon. We're going to hit 55 today. You know what? It's already 53 degrees. So we're warming up slowly because of that northwest wind. If we would have had a south wind today, I think we'd hit 60 degrees, but we've got a northwest wind and it's pretty breezy out there. So we're going to stay, I think, in the mid to low 50s. 54 from Dalton, 53 from Fort Payne. Head out, enjoy this. Tomorrow, we'll have plenty of sun too. And the temperature tomorrow, it's going to get a little bit better. I want to emphasize that. So our weather headlines tonight, I'm thinking it's going to be colder. We'll have a clear sky. There's going to be lighter winds tonight. That air temperature is going to drop to the freezing mark. Tomorrow, cold start, but then tomorrow afternoon, we're in the mid to upper 50s. Rain is going to be moving in for the end of the week on Friday. The newest data that I do have shows light rain beginning as early as the morning hours now. So it's a slight change from yesterday. So Friday, plan ahead. I think it's just going to be a light rainfall. As we head into Saturday, there is still a threat for storms. So it's a 15% probability. Once we get to Thursday, Wednesday and Thursday, we will have a better idea of specifics on timing and threats. But what we know is there's already an outlook for Saturday. So anytime it's this far in advance, that raises an eyebrow. And because it's going to be so mild, we're looking at a spring-like pattern here by the end of the week and into the weekend. That also raises another eyebrow. So heads up for Saturday. Tonight, feeling more like a January night though. 30 from Athens, 32 for Chattanooga, 29 from Murphy. High temperatures tomorrow, much of the same. Plenty of sun tomorrow, up to 57 in Chattanooga and 58 over Dalton. Visible and radar with that very light rain that we picked up early this morning. That system is exiting the Tennessee Valley. A lot of dry air to our west. The next storm system that moves in, it's starting to develop across the Pacific Northwest here. This guy is going to eventually track eastward here over the next couple of days. We can still see a lot of dry air in place for Wednesday. Even Thursday looks really good. The clouds will be increasing during the day Thursday, and I think the south wind is going to be getting picked up. So look for more of a breeze as we head into Thursday evening. And then by Friday, very light rainfall. I don't see thunderstorms on Friday, but right around 9:30, we'll start to see light rain begin over Chattanooga and for much of the Tennessee Valley. The rain chance is going to pick up for Friday afternoon and Friday evening. I still think it's going to be pretty light overall. I don't see anything heavy for Friday. As far as rainfall totals, this is preliminary for that period. It's showing a couple hundredths of an inch of rainfall for Chattanooga, maybe a tenth for Dayton Mountain and for Cleveland, maybe about a quarter of an inch of rainfall for Altamont. So the heavier stuff is going to be moving in on Saturday, and I think that's going to be a weather alert day. Saturday morning, there could be some rainfall, and I think as far as our thunderstorms go, early afternoon, late morning at this point. So the spring pattern kind of starts up on Friday, continues this weekend. I'm thinking Sunday is going to be A-OK. Sunday is going to be the pick day for the upcoming weekend. And then, John, next week is going to be a soggy pattern. We've got rain chances each day next week. So heads up, we're about to enter kind of an active pattern. Enjoy the next 36 hours or so.
Well, that's not nearly as exciting. I thought you said, John, next week. I was like, yeah, it's going to be terrible.
Yeah, it's going to be a weather week next week. So,
well, it's a good day on Saturday to stay inside, maybe watch the Titans game as they head to Baltimore, 8:15.
But there's a strong storm chance, I think, Saturday. So it's also going to be a day to kind of stay connected. So I'm going to talk more about Saturday in the next half hour.